Hi students and good morning to all. Today we are going to see our next section. Okay, block number 14 of EVS. Okay, so in the last section what we have learned the directions, means using directions with the help of landmarks. Yes, using directions with the help of landmarks. Landmarks means what? The locality place, means where, like post office, hospitals, hospitals like police stations, then other like schools. Yes, mosque, masudi. Okay, so this local place is called as a landmarks, means where the post office is there. So with the help of that we can find our directions in in which directions we have to go. Yes, so in this section what we are going to learn, we will going to learn about finding directions using a compass. Yes, finding directions using a compass. Okay, so I will show you a picture of a compass. Okay students, you can see this compass. Yes, this is a compass. So today we are going to find the directions using a compass. Yes, sometimes we need to find the directions. Yes, now see this. This is a red sign where we have to, means with the help of this compass there we can find the point, means north, south, east and west where it is. Yes, the compass is a tool using to find the directions. Yes, this is the compass. So when we have to find the directions we have to see this. Yes, compass. Okay, it has a needle with a red tip. It has a needle with a red tip and always pointing to the north side. And where it is pointing? It is pointing to the north side. This helps us to find the 4 directions and ways to a place easily. Yes, you can see this compass. With this is north, this is south, this is west and this is east. With the help of that we can find the directions. See the types of what they are? Compass. Yes, see this here also you can say this is a red tip. With the help of that we can find the directions. Yes, so students, with the help of that compass we can find the directions. With the red tip we can find that where is north, where is south, where is east and where is west. It is very helpful. Why? When now we are standing, now we can understand with the help of that sun, now which is north, south, east and west. Yes, where is the sun? We can say that that is a east. Yes, on the left side there is north, right side there is south and back side it is west. So this direction we can find it very easily with the help of sun. But where there is no sun we cannot find. So we can use that compass to find the directions. Okay. So why we can use the compass to find the directions, where we are traveling. So these compass are very helpful to the travelers. Yes, then mountain jumping. Yes, so these types of means what? These types of people use this to travel from one city to another city. That time they want to find the directions. They are using that compass. Okay. So in the next what we will see in the next, see Yes, now you can see this. Yes, here is a map. Yes, here is a map. On that map, the direction can be shown using arrow. Yes, you can see this. With the help of that arrow, we can find the directions. Yes, what we can do with the help of this, we can find the directions. Understand, students? We can find the directions. Yes, this is very helpful for us, because whenever we are going outside, we can see when we are traveling for one place to another, that time it is very helpful to us, and it can carry it. We can carry it that very easily in our pocket also. So it is very helpful to the travelers who are traveling from one place to another. For them also, the mountain jumpings, they also can find, and other peoples also can use that very easily, because it can be kept in our pocket also, and it is very useful to find the directions easily. Okay, students? So in this section, what we have seen, we can find the directions with the help of that compass. Okay, thank you.